Hi, my name is Roger Schlater. This video is actually about creating your own LLC, your company LLC. And what we're going to do is we're really going to go over kind of a layman's um, way to do this, instructions to do this, to create your own LLC. And then later on, we'll actually, if you stick around till the end, we'll actually talk about the most important document in your documents to create an LLC. So anyway, everyone is creating an LLC to start their business. An LLC is the way to go, and it's the easiest way to start. It's the easiest to maintain, and this is a layman's guide to starting an LLC. Number one, check with your Secretary of State to see if the name you want to use is available. You can use the name that you'll be operating as, or you can register as really any name you want. If you register as any other name other than what you're operating as, then you do need to register a fictitious name registration of the name that you'll be using as your business. Number two, file in the state that you're in at the Secretary of State's office. This can be done online. This is usually very easy to do online. In most states, the cost is minimal. In my state, it's $100. And then you're filing articles of organization, and it's very easy. You just follow the prompts, and that's it. Number three, your Secretary of State will send you a notice that you've filed and that you are now in business. Many people stop at this point, but there really is one more document that you must produce, and that is the operating agreement. The operating agreement is what gives you the personal protection against entities suing you personally. Without the operating agreement, you're not protected as an LLC. So anyway, you do need to, number four, you need to follow the requirements of your state, and remember to file all necessary paperwork every year on an annual basis. Sometimes to file annually, they charge you something, but it won't be much. And then some of them really, they don't have to do anything. I mean, it just keeps on going until you stop it. So anyway, the operating agreement will show who and what is being done in your organization. The owners are members, and you can be member managed or manager managed, and you have some determination on how you'll be taxed. If you're one person, you can be taxed as a sole proprietorship. If you're two or more, you can actually be taxed as a partnership, or you can create a corporation or a sub S corp. And use that as your tax, is how you're filing your taxes. It's usually wise to talk to an attorney and an accountant to see what is desirable for you and your company. You really don't want to do a whole lot wrong in this part of it. As you can see, armed with a credit card with like $100 on it, and a desire to create an operating agreement, you can have your LLC started and going in basically one day. The operating agreement is really what gives you the protection, and that's what I talked about in the beginning. The operating agreement is that document that gives you the protection as an individual owner. It is best to talk to an attorney, but I've also seen people that use the online version of this document. Most online versions will be legal in all 50 states. Make sure it's legal in yours. And you'll pay a fraction of the cost you would an attorney. I mean, I almost hate to do this. I got attorney friends, and if they see this video, they're going to go, "What are you doing?" So anyway, it is very, very inexpensive. I think it's like $100, and you can't even get an attorney to talk to you for $100. So anyway, thank you, and please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of future videos. And if you got anything out of this, I really hope you hit the like button. So anyway, thank you, and my name is Roger Schlater, and I will see you in the next video.